Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to build a parallax section. Now, parallax is a word that means two objects or two images that are moving at different rates. If you look at the background here in this section, when I roll up the page, I'll use the little slider over here, you can see it's moving at a different rate than everything else on the page. That's a parallax right there. Really nice effect, really easy to do. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. Once enabled, let's go down to where we want to work. And I'm simply going to delete this section and we'll start from scratch. By default, Divi puts in a section for you. I'm just going to put in a row so we've got something to revolve. Let's chuck in a call to action module. And let's just save that as it is for a moment. I've got my row here. I'm going to give it a little bit more space either end so we can see what's going on a little bit better. Just left clicking and dragging to add padding this way, or you can go in the section and do it yourself, or the row I should say. Now let's go to our section here. And I'm going to add a lot of space top and bottom so we got some scroll room. Obviously you'd have something on your site before this. So I'm going to give it margin top of say 400 and a margin bottom of say 600. Give us some nice scroll room there. Great. Okay, while we're in here, let's put our background in. Section, content, go down to background. I'm going to put in an image. You've got color, gradient, image or video. I'm going to go for an image. And I guess I'll use that same image. Okay, now if we just scroll down a little bit, you've got a little button here that says use parallax effect. Simply switch it on and that's it. We've got that nice little parallax effect going on. So how easy was that? But this is what they call true parallax. What I was saying is it's two images moving at different rates. So it's moving at a different rate from our foreground and from our content. They've also got what they call CSS parallax, which is really fixed background. Because now if we scroll up and down, you can see the background stays exactly where it is, which is again a beautiful effect, but it's really fixed background. And that sort of thing is very striking to have on your site. And you can do this with most modules and rows in the Divi theme here. And it is a wonderful thing to have on your site. So I'm going to switch that back to true parallax. It'll make the image bigger so it's got more scroll room there. And as you can see, it's moving, but at a different rate. So that was a very short and sweet video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let's just save this and make sure everything's going to work. Just add a couple more modules. Just hitting the clone button there, the two little squares. And it doesn't matter which one you move over because they're both the same. There we go. Right, let's exit. Save draft or publish. And exit the Visual Builder. And there we have a little parallax section. Very simple yet very effective. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.